Salute for Service is a non-for-profit ex-service organisation there to help support all veterans from all walks of life. So recently we were engaged by a social worker to help support a veteran based down in South Australia in Adelaide. It was identified that this veteran had actually fallen through the gaps. He was in not such a healthy way and not in a healthy environment. He had actually had a purpose and a goal of receiving a PTSD assistance dog. So we were engaged and we were lucky that we were partnered in with Classics for a Cause to help support this veteran and change his life.
We had the pleasure to work with Operation Unity and Open Arms, who brought both members to the table and really assisted what we were trying to do down there. We also want to put a special shout out and thank you to Nat, Nicole and Jason from the Trauma Clean team. They really went above and beyond to not just do the job itself, but really take time out of their way to look for what was special to the veteran.
So not only were we lucky enough to be engaged with this project, but we've actually helped that veteran with his ongoing care and support.
He's going to be able to stay in that location now in the home that he built with his mother. It really improves his well-being and really puts that sense of purpose and pride back into his home and his lifestyle.